enable, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Chat box. I think please message it. It's enable. Use it. Message. Let's see that. I think
No,
it.
Ravi, it's disabled now. Still
Huh?
disabled. It's
Dis
still disabled.
disable. Okay, okay, okay. I will see that. Okay. Now see that. I think.
Yes, now it's enabled.
Okay, okay, then fine, fine. Okay, let's start and try to understand the things. Okay, na? So let's start the things and we will understand. So in the previous session, yesterday only, what example we took? Just product class, right? That product class only. What product class only I will take here also. And first I will tell how we are configuring that class as what XML configuration. After then, what I will do that. I will remove that XML configuration, right? And I will implement those XML configuration as what? That XML configuration as what? Our Java and annotation configuration, right? And be careful, guys. Even nowadays, the industry is not using XML configuration because compared to Java configuration, XML configuration, heavy weight and project performance is issue. And if client is giving the money, right, they want a good. With a good performance project, not like our project is not giving us what? Our project is not giving us what? Performance also, right? So the industry nowadays, the company is preferring what? Direct microservices or Spring Boot or Java and annotation configuration. If the project is there in the what Spring based, then that is the configuration is a what? Java configuration and what? Annotation driven, right? So today onward, guys, be serious about that. Whatever things I covered in the previous sessions, right? Like using XML configuration, those things again I'm going to what? Again I'm going to what? Explain here only, right? As a what? As a Java configuration and what? A Java configuration and what? Annotation driven. And be serious about, guys. If you people become not serious about your career, so other people can't help you, right? Until unless you people will not become what? Serious about your career. So don't worry about that, right? So now let's understand what is that public, how we are writing the bean class, how we are writing the bean class. Like I'm going to write what? Public package, right? Package like com dot rk dot what? Rk dot what? Product. This is the our package name is there. After then what I'm taking that public class, right? Public class what? Public class product is there, right? In the product, what property is there in the product class, right? Product class, whatever property, like private product, int prod id, right? Prod id, right? Int private string, right? Private string prod name, right? Again what is that? Private double, right? Double broadcast, right? Product cast. These three properties are there inside what? Inside that product class, right? Inside that product class, these three properties there. But in whenever we are configuring, we know that our is IOC container having two input, one bean and another one is what? A Spring configuration, right? A Spring configuration. Then what? Then our our IOC container will instantiate this object. So in the XML configuration, what we are doing, that bean tag is there, right? Parent tag is what? Bean tag. Inside bean tag, what is that? Second tag is there, right? Beans tag means beans tag. Inside that, what we are doing, that like that we are taking like this, okay na? Like beans. What is a child tag? Bean. Inside that, what we are taking? ID equal to, right, some ID we are giving that, like product, right? Just prod. After then what we are taking? Class attribute. Inside class attribute, what we are giving now, like this, com dot rk dot what? Product dot what? Product class name, right? product class name, like we are writing the fully qualified name, right? Like we are writing the fully qualified name, means one thing here clear, I'm going to clear that, means number of bean equal to number of bean tag, right? Number of bean equal to number of bean tag, means whenever we are configuring what, whenever we are configuring as a what, Java means XML based configuration. But now today our discussion is what, today our discussion is what, we are going to configure what, we are going to configure what as a Java configuration, right? Java configuration using what, annotation, right? So now if we are going to explain using what, Java configuration using annotation, so then what we will do now, now we will take like what, so Java means we will take two annotation to make what, key to make our Java class as what, to make our Java class as our container will treat at a bean class, bean configuration. Then what annotation we will use, at the rate configuration, at the rate configuration, right? At the rate configuration annotation. This will apply in the whatever Java class we will write, on the top of that Java class we will apply this annotation, right? After then second one is to treat as, means if we write on the top of Java class this configuration and annotation, right? Then this tag, means this tag meaning will become in the what, Java in the IOC container, this tag means beans tag, that annotation will treat as in IOC container what, as a bean annotation, right? So now after then, but bean tag also there in the child, bean tag also there to make this, means this bean representing one bean tag, right? So to perform in the Java class, our Java class treat as a what, bean. So for that at the rate bean tag, bean annotation is there, right? Based on these two annotation, what we will do now, we will write our what, Java configuration class, right? Java configuration class. But in the previous session, right, in the previous session, whenever we are performing, right, whenever we are writing the test class to activate IOC container, which implementation class we are taking, which implementation class we are taking, we are taking, see, we are taking it's in the application context, sorry, this one is not, in the application context I will show another one, right? Mhm. Yeah, in the test class, right, in the test class what we are taking, that class path xml application context, right? Instead means this implementation class we are using that, right, at the time of application XML configuration, right? In the XML configuration we are taking this implementation class to what, activate our IOC container now. But we are going to perform what, annotation driven, right? Annotation driven approach, right? So if we want to perform annotation driven approach, so for that what is the implementation class we will take, that we will take the annotation config, application context, right? We will use what, we will use this class, right? Context, this implementation class we will take instead of what, class path XML application, we will use what, annotation config application context, this class we will use it, right? This class we will use it, right? So now okay, so let's see that, right? Let's see that and do the practical, and we will see that. So now okay, so shall we see that, for this one, assume that here I'm performing in this class, right? In this class I'm performing what, setter and getter injection, right? Getter injection, setter and getter injection, right? So for that, so shall we write that like this bean class, how we are writing the bean XML configuration, and how we will using these two annotation, we will make our Java class as what, this bean configuration, our Java class as what, this bean configuration. So let's write it here only. After then what we will do now, we will see as what, practically, right? We will see as what, practically. So now, okay, so okay, let's see that now. Okay, let's see that. So now, okay, so this bean, right? So how we are writing normal Java class, how we are writing the normal Java class, guys. I'm making, see how much simple I'm making the things, right? So just how we are, see, this is the bean, right? So this is the bean, but how we, this is the bean class, our container, and our container, by seeing that you, our IOC container, by seeing that this class will treat as what, bean class, right? So now, but what so how we will differentiate bean class and configuration? No, this is how our IOC container will treat. No, this is not a bean class, this is the configuration class, right? Configuration class, what is that? Configuration class. So how we will write now? Package, now package com dot rk dot, right? Com dot, 1 minute, underline is coming, right? Yeah, com dot rk dot config. I'm taking what? Config package name. Inside that, what I'm taking? What? One class, right? One class, just normal class, right? I'm taking what? Public class, right? Public class, what? Public class, just I'm taking app config, right? Name I'm taking app config. Class name I'm taking what? App config. So this is what normal Java class, right? This is what normal Java class or not? So if we want to make this normal Java class as a what, our IOC container will treat this normal Java class as what? Configuration class. So how we will make? We will apply this annotation, right? Whenever we will apply this annotation from on the top of this class, right? At the rate config. Whenever we will apply this annotation on the top of what, this class, right? Then this class will become what? Configuration, application configuration file, right? Means beans tag. From here to here, this our application will start to treat as what? Treat as what? Bean class, right? So now again, but in that, in the bean tag, right, we are writing the property, means setter injection is there. So for that, what we are doing, that we are taking the property tag and we are setting that things, right? So those things means, then after, then okay, after the next, what we will do now? Again, after then next things we will do it. Second things, what is that? Means if number of bean equal to number of bean, matlab means number of product class, one product class is there na, so that product class will become what? Here method, right? Public. So public at its return type is what? Product. Public what? Product, right? Public class product, right? Public class product, just I'm writing that what the name is, what I'm going to write this class name, like product, product. Now it's return type, right? Return, I will take here return as a what? Product only, right? So now after then product, right? How in the core Java, think about as a core Java, right? How we are setting the data inside what? Inside what? Product class. So the we are going to we are performing setter injection, right? So now what we will create again object here, product p equal to, right? Product p equal to, how we are creating the object? Product p equal to product, right? Product. Now we are performing what? A setter injection, right? So based on the setter injection, p dot what? Set what? Prod name is there, right? Prod id is there, right? Inside that, what is that? 101, right? 101. 1 minute. Yeah, 101, right? Just now I'm deleting this one. After writing the things, I will explain again. Okay, na? I will tell. So now again, second property is what? Second property is also there, right? Second property is what? Second property is string product name, right? So string product name dot p dot set what? Set product prod name, right? Prod name. Now inside that, what we will do now? Just I'm taking what? Laptop, right? Laptop. After then again, last product cast also there, right? Product cast also there, means p dot set, right? Broadcast, right? Now what we are doing here just we created product class just 30,000, right? 30,000. So now after then what we will do now, this method is what, which kind of this method, product return, it will its method want to what, return back as what, product. So what we will do now, return this p reference we will return back here, right? After returning back, what we will do now, we will close this open bracket and a close bracket, right here, open bracket and a close bracket, open bracket and what, close bracket, we will close it here now. But still our IOC container will not treat as what, bean. So why another, so this method as a bean annotation, bean what, bean tag, like this annotation, right? Means this tag, like this tag, our IOC container will not treat. So if we want to treat that method as what, bean tag, then which annotation we will use, at the rate bean annotation. From on the top of that method, at the rate bean annotation, if we use that, right, then this method will become what, then this method will become what, bean tag, one tag is there na, right? This tag will become what, bean tag number. So it means number of bean equal to number of method. So like that we will write the application as a what, Java program, using Java approach, as well as annotation driven, right? This is the combination of what, this is the combination of what, Java as well as what, um, annotation driven. So let's see the as a practical, right? Let's see the as a practical. So now, and in the practical also, don't worry, I will explain each and everything there also. The things will become too much clear in the, at the time of what, at the time of what, practical, right? So now let's see that, right? So now what I'm going to create, let's create the project. Now if we create the project, new, now others, right? Now others, inside that what we will take, Maven project, right? Maven project, in that we are going to just, we are learning the core module, right? So we will create what, a standalone application only, right? So now quick start, select the quick start. Now next it, now here just I'm taking what, rk dot annotation driven, right? Now product no 101, right? Now I created the project. Yeah, the project is created now. Okay, so now standalone application, it's still the project is creation going on. Yeah, the project is created, right? So now after creation of the project, right? So in the previous, so what we will do now, we will open the pom.xml. For that, if we want to work on Spring, right, Spring, so what is the, we have need what, dependencies, right? So we will go on what, um, the browser, right? In the browser, what we will do now, now we will do like a spring what, context maven, right? Spring context maven with dependency, we will copy from what, central repository, from the maven central repository. Now copy it. Okay, after copying that, copy that and paste inside what, paste inside what, dependencies tag, right? After pasting that, second one is, but our Java version, which one, the Java version one, by default our Maven is giving what, 1.5 only. So what we will do now, so we will change what, using what, direct what, Maven compiler, right? We will search the Maven compiler and we will copy this tag from here to here. After copying this tag, right, so what we will do now, we will paste inside that property tag is there, right? The property tag is there inside property tag, right? After pasting that, what we will do now, okay, so now right click on that project, right click on that project. After then go inside what, Maven, after then update the project, right? Now forcefully, now okay. Okay, so now all required dependencies came inside what? Came inside what? Maven dependency, right? Java SC 1.8 version become, right? Previously it's showing that what? It's showing that what, 1.1.5, but now because of this tag, right? Because of this tag, it will become what? 1.8. Now all required dependencies, Spring Context, AOP, Beans, Core, whatever the need, to develop one Spring Core application, our dependency came inside what? Class path, right? So after getting this class path, right, what we will do now? Now let's create one project, right? So which project? This one is not required. Now delete it. Okay, test one. By default, my machine is creating the folder. Now come inside what? SRC main, right? Come inside what? SRC main, right? Click on that. Now new after then what? Class, right? After class, what we will do now? Com.rk, right? Com.rk. Now product, right? Now again here what we will do now? Product class we are taking. Now finish it, right? So after finishing that, what we will do now? We will create the attribute inside what? Class? Private int, right? Prod id, right? Prod id, private string, right? Private string prod name, right? Prod name, private string, right? Prod, sorry, double prod cost, right? Product cost. Now these three attributes are there, right? Now alt shift s, I'm going to perform what? Setter injection. Now setter and getter, right? Now I will select what? Setter. Select all, right? Select all, not setter only. Select all. Now select all, right? Generate setter and getter method, as well as I will take what? To string method also. Now alt shift s plus s, right? If we take now override the to string method also, because I'm not going to create any what inside that method. So what we will do now? Just my product class is created, right? So means this class means in the terminology of Spring, what we are saying that we are saying what? We are saying bean class, right? So bean class means one bean is there, right? We are created one bean. So how we will configure it? Let's configure. So again, what we will do now? We will create one more package inside that, right? No, I will not create one package here only. Inside in this package only, what I'm going to do now? I'm going to create what? One configuration, app config class, right? We will create what? We will create what? One app config class. So I said that in what? In the theoretical explanation, right? If we want to make as what? This Java class, because still this guys, after 10 minutes the meeting will end. Again, don't go, because still still just I started the practical, right? After 10 minutes the meeting will end. Again, reconnect yourself, because this is the free Zoom ID, right? So they just giving us 40 minutes. So okay, we are learning the things, okay na? And even I'm delivering the good things only to you people, okay na? I'm also not wasting my time, and you're also, right? So just time management is more important in the life, okay? So please take the help of these things, and make your career in a better path, right? So this is my what goal in the life. Because of that I'm giving these services. Otherwise, so many institutions, because of this strength, right? So many institution is giving me opportunity. Ravikant sir, please teach with us, we will pay you. I said that no need money, I am earning money multiple ways. So okay now. So leave it those things. How I'm earning the money, where from? Actually, I'm earning the money from the company, as well as two friends are there, they are having the company, they are also, I'm working, right? So I'm earning from the 2 to 3 places money, guys. So I don't have any need from you people money. Just be serious about your career. Just my intention is only one things, right? Because after completing the engineering kind of degree, if you are earning just 10-20,000, means the waste of the things, right? BA people also can do those things, okay? So means engineer only, in my point of view. So I'm ready to make you people engineer, right? But please, some cooperation need from your side also, okay? So this is the bean, right? So how our IOC container will, because this is the normal Java class we created, right? The normal Java class. So if we want to make this class as what? If we want to make this class as what? Configuration class, right? So what annotation we will apply now? At the rate configuration, right? at the rate configuration annotation we will apply. After then our IOC container will start to treat what? This is the beans, right? Beans configuration means this is the bean configuration. Now I said that here, come here, right? So now I said that number of bean equal to number of method. So what we will do now? We will create one method, right? Public what? Product means with the same bean. If bean is there with the same class name, we will write that method, right? This is the core concept, core Java concept, guys. Now just what I'm doing, that product I'm writing now, okay now. So after then return type, it's a return need what? Object, but still we did not created object, so just I'm returning what? Null here. After then what? We are performing what? Setter injection. Then what we will do now, inside this method we will create again product class object. That class object means p equal to new product, right? New product. After creation of this product object, right, what we will do now, p dot what? Set. P dot set. Now in the p dot set what? ID is there 1.1001, right? How I explained already. See, p dot set product ID equal to 1001. Now again second one is what? Second one is what? P dot what? Set, right? P dot what? Set product name, I'm setting that, right? Product name is what? Now just laptop, right? Laptop. After then second one is what? P dot what? P dot set cost, right? Set cost. P dot what? Set cost, right? In the set cost, what is that? Just I'm taking 23,000 dot this one, right? This is what? The cost. After then what we will do now? We will return the same object. Means what is the reference? This object, right? This object references we will return back. Now after returning that, but still how our IOC container will treat this method as what? Beans tag. So for that they people are given what? At the rate bean annotation. At the rate what? Bean annotation. If we apply this bean annotation and the top of method, right, then our IOC container will this treat as what? Bean tag, right? If we want to make this class as what? Configuration class, then what annotation we will apply? At the rate configuration annotation we will apply it, right? So now based on this one we completed what? Our two input. We know that our IOC container what? To perform the operation want two input, right? One configuration, first one bean, second one configuration, right? So both we completed now. So how we, if we want to work in what? IOC container, so which interface we have need? Application context. After then it's implementation class. But here what we are doing, that previously we are performing what? Configuration, XML configuration. Because of that we are taking its implementation class what? Class path XML application configuration. Now but we are going to perform what? Annotation driven, right? We are using what? Annotations in the configuration, Java configuration as well, Java configuration, right? So which implementation class? Now we will perform what? Annotation config application context, and this one is using industry, guys, right? And even in my project also we are implementing these things only. Because of that, see, if I'm not explain what XML configuration, I can't able to explain clear. See, I can explain it, but that much clarity is not there. Now you people able to understand or not, why we are taking either rate configuration annotation, why we are taking at the rate bean configuration, and how we are writing what? Java configuration using for that one bean, right? So don't worry about that. We are not wasting the time. We are learning the good things, okay now. And I analyzes the subject in a multiple way, and even whenever I'm getting the time, I'm improving myself each and every second, guys, right? So you people are there with a good people person. It's not meaning that I'm saying that yeah, I have a little bit, a small amount of experience, 7 years of experience, right? But don't worry about that. 7 years of experience plus 7 years of sleepless night also there behind my success. It's not meaning that 7 years experience is there, but behind a sleepless night also there. Think about those things also, okay? So now, okay, now see that, okay, come here. So now at the rate bean, okay now, so let's test it, right? So if we want to test it, how we will test it, right? So now class now com dot rk dot what test, right? Test, inside that what we will write now, test it. Okay, test, we will write the main method after the finish it. After finishing it, I said that, right? I said that. So why, how we will write it now? Application context, right? Application context AC equal to what? New annotation what I explained here, annotation config application context, right? So now this one we will use it, right? Previously in the argument what we are passing here, we are passing that XML configuration file name, but now in this time what we will pass, this application class name, right? Application class name here, right? So now how app config, we are taking what, application config dot class, right? Dot class, like this we will pass it. After then what we will do now, after then we don't know how to create, right? Car object, right? Means in the real, whenever we have need to take means car, right? We are going where, we are going in the showroom, right? So from there we are taking the car, right? So same like, so showroom people is providing our us what, car object. So same like, whenever we don't know how to create our bean object. So what we are doing, we are going to bean factory, right? Bean factory. So now, so if we want to go bean factory, what, ac dot what, get bean method is there. That method is what, factory method. Inside that what we will do now, inside that what we will do now, inside that we will create that class object, right? Means we will take what, here in the previous we are taking id, but in this case what, id will become this class name, right? This class name will become prod, class name will become id, right? So what we will do now, here we will pass it, after then comma, right? After then what we will do now, product, after then what, product class, right? Dot class, right? After product class it will return what, it will return what, product object. It will return product object. Now print it, right? Now print it, here pass it, right? After passing that, now let's see that we are getting the result or not using XML and Java configuration. See, we got the output or not? See, product is 101 laptop and product cost is 23,000, right? So like this what, like that we are performing what, like this what, we